Canada's stance on financial freedom faces a defining test on August 14th. At the heart of it is a question that should concern every Canadian. Can the government freeze your bank account without a charge, a hearing, or even an explanation simply because it doesn't like your political views? That's what happened to Evan Blackman. In February 2022, Evan, a father and self-employed Ontarian, was arrested during the federal government's crackdown on the Freedom Convoy protest in Ottawa. Police detained him on February 18th, just 4 days after Prime Minister Trudeau unconstitutionally invoked the Emergencies Act. He was released the same day without conditions, but when Evan tried to access his bank account, he was locked out. No ATM withdrawals, no online banking, no pre-authorized payments. His personal and business finances were suddenly frozen with zero warning. It was an absolute shock, Evans said. As a self-employed worker, it not only affected my family, but my employees as well. The Crown charged him with mischief and obstruction, relying on a 14-minute drone video and the testimony of one police officer. But when his case went to trial in October 2023, the judge dismissed all charges. The video showed Evan de-escalating tensions, holding people back, and kneeling in front of police singing "O Canada." The judge described him not as a threat, but a peacemaker. Still, the Crown appealed, and now Evan is back in court. But this time, the stakes are even higher. His legal team, provided by the Justice Center for Constitutional Freedoms, will argue that freezing his bank accounts without due process violated Section 7 of the Charter, which guarantees life, liberty, and security of the person. On July 4th, a judge ordered the RCMP and TD Bank to hand over internal records explaining how and why Evan's accounts were frozen. These documents may finally reveal the full extent of the government's overreach. This isn't just about Evan anymore. It's about whether the state can weaponize financial institutions against peaceful dissent. The outcome of this case could set a legal precedent that affects every Canadian's rights to protest without fear of financial punishment.